Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the calculator to do matrices. So when you look on the calculator, you can go to the matrix button right here by hitting second and then going to the x to the negative 1. This pops this whole screen up right here where if I had a matrix saved in here, it would be right in this screen. Here, if I want to, I need to go over to edit. So I scroll to the right to edit and I can enter in my matrices at this point. This is where you enter in something, your dimensions of whatever matrix you're doing. And so right here, I'm going to do a 2 by 2 matrix. So I entered 2 by 2, and then I can put the matrix in here. Let's just do 1, 2, 3, and 4, for example. Okay. So now it has everything in there. I can't get out of this screen. I can't go anywhere with the arrows or hitting enter. I have to hit second, and then I have to hit the mode button to do the quit right here to get out. And then I go back into the matrix screen, and there I have my 2 by 2 saved right there. So now I'm also going to go into edit again, and I'm going to go down to matrix B. And I'm going to do, let's do a 2 by 3. So I'm going to do negative 1, negative 6, 2, 4, 0, and 3. Oops, sorry. 0, and yeah. See, this is why they get difficult. 3. Okay. So now I have all of them in here. I want to double check, make sure that I typed everything in correctly. And then so now I will quit back out of the screen and go back into matrix. And so now I have both of these saved. So what I want to do is I want to do matrix A, the 2 by 2, times matrix B. And there's my answer right there. If I wanted to, I could try and do matrix B times matrix A. And I get a mismatch right here, a dimension mismatch. What that means here, if you look, if you go in here, I have a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 3. I can't multiply a 2 by 3 times a 2 by 2 because these interior numbers don't match. But I can do a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 3 because these interior numbers would match. So that's why that doesn't work. I can also go back into the matrix screen here, and I can go over to the right and hit determinant right here. Oh, I need to do that again. Scroll to the right, hit determinant, and then I can bring the matrix from here, A, right back into my home screen right here and hit enter, and that just gets me my determinant. If I wanted to do the determinant of, oops, wrong one, of the second one, right here, I would go ahead and put this in, and I can't do that in valid dimensions because I can only take a determinant of a square matrix. And a 2 by 2 is a square matrix, but a 2 by 3 is not, so I can't do that. If I wanted to do the inverse, I can do that by just doing this right here. I bring the matrix to the home screen and I do to the negative 1, and that gets me this. If I want the exact answers with no decimals, I hit math, enter, enter, and that gives me the answers right here. So knowing how to enter things into the calculator is super helpful, especially to do a 3 by 3, and so that you can go ahead and solve 3 by 3 systems. Let me know if you have any questions.